Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable checking Roth eligibility in TurboTax, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open TurboTax on your computer or device. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the option that says search or a magnifying glass icon. Click on the search bar and type in Roth IRA eligibility. Press enter or click the search icon to proceed. Locate the suggestion related to checking Roth IRA eligibility. Select that option to go to the relevant section. Next, review the information presented about income limits and qualifications. It's essential to understand your modified adjusted gross income or MAGI. If your income falls below the specified threshold, you may be eligible for a Roth IRA. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your income information. If prompted, provide details about your tax filing status. TurboTax will automatically analyze your data for Roth IRA eligibility. You will receive a notification if you qualify to contribute to a Roth IRA. If you are eligible, follow the instructions provided to start the contribution process. If you do not qualify, TurboTax will suggest alternative retirement options. Make sure to review all the recommendations made by TurboTax. Consider consulting a financial advisor if you have further questions. Confirm all your information before finalizing any decisions. Always ensure you are aware of the latest tax laws regarding Roth IRAs. This concludes the process for checking Roth IRA eligibility in TurboTax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.